Alright, so now let's look at some word problems involving area and perimeter. So a new home has a swimming pool in the backyard. It is 32 feet long and 18 feet wide. What is the perimeter of the pool? So I drew a little diagram over here based on what we know. So it's 18 feet wide and 32 feet long. So we know that perimeter, we are going to add up all the sides. Now, what this means is that both the lengths of the pool are 32 feet, and both widths of the pool are 18 feet. So we are going to add 32 plus 32 plus 18 plus 18 to get 100 feet. Now, if you remember with perimeter, we do not need to put a cube or the square on because it's not necessary, right? So let's look at another one. So, a family decided to buy new carpeting for several rooms. And we're going to have to work with the numbers it gives us. So, for the den, it gives us it's 12 feet by 14 feet. So, here all we're going to do is multiply 12 times 14. And when we do, we get 180 feet squared. So, since we are finding the area, we do have to have that square on there. Alright, so let's look at the master bedroom. We have 12 feet, we don't know our width, and we know our area. It's 360 feet squared. So we have to rearrange the equation. So our equation we are working with is area equals length times width. So we plug in what we know. So we know our area is 360, we know the length is 20 feet, and we don't know our width. So this means we are going to divide 360 by 20. Now the reason you notice division is you're going to go back and think, what's the opposite of multiplication? Division. The opposite of division, multiplication, opposite of addition, subtraction, opposite of subtraction, addition. Okay? So we are going to divide 360 by 20, and when we do that, we get 18 feet. Now we don't need to square here because we are not finding area, we are just finding our width. So the family room, we don't know our length, our width is 25 feet, and our area is 375 feet squared. Once again, we plug in what we know. Area equals length times width. So area, or A, I'm going to replace with 375. Length is our unknown, and our width, we do know it is 25. Okay, so we are going to divide by 25. So 375 divided by 25 is 15 feet. Now, the last part of the problem wants us to find out how much carpet is needed in all. So we are going to add up the areas of all the rooms. So it's going to be 375 plus 360 plus 168. And again, this is just the area from the rooms. And when we add that up, we get 903 feet squared. Alright, so a clothes shop moved from a store that was 35 by 22 feet to a new location that was 53 by 32 feet. How many more square feet does the store have now? So this has a couple of steps to find our answer. So the first one, we are going to find the area of the store. So we're going to use the formula we've been using, area equals length times width. So for the old shop, we are going to plug in what the problem gave us, 35 times 22, to get 770 feet squared. Remember, area, put the square on. The new shop is 53 feet by 32 feet. So we multiply that, and we get 1,696 feet squared. Now we have to figure out how much more feet the new shop has than the older one. So we are going to find the difference. So this means we are going to subtract the two amounts. So we're going to subtract 1,696 minus 770 to get 926 feet squared. And our last one. A triangle with equal sides has a perimeter of 96 inches. How long is each side. So since the sides are equal and we know that a triangle has 3 sides, we are going to divide 96 by 3. So 96 divided by 3 gives us 32 inches.